Hey guys, today we have a quick one. Yes, so I'll be showing you how to use live music edit, live music edit in DaVinci Resolve. So what you do with that is you can extend your audio or your music track to fit your whole entire timeline. So if the music is longer than the timeline, you can just scale it down in order to fit the timeline. And if the music is shorter than the timeline, you just extend it and it will be able to fit your whole entire timeline. So here is our music. I'm going to put it here, and you can see our music before the extension. Yeah, so it will become this. So before we extend it, our music is very, very short. And we want our music to come and fit our entire, I know this music here has a bit of editing, volume change and what have you for the entire video. Now, here is what we're going to do. So we choose our music, our audio track. This is our audio track. After choosing it, you come here on your inspector. You go to audio, then you come down on this menu and look for this. It's called live trim under the AI music editor. So you check box to make sure that text box is been checked, and then after that you come back to your audio track and just drag it however far you want it to be, and then release it. So DaVinci Resolve AI will analyze the music and get the beat how it is, so that it will give you these perfect cuts whereby you won't be able to notice that music had been stitched. It will sound like one long track that doesn't have, if you did your own cuts manually. Yeah. So depending on the length and your machine capability, it will take somewhere between a minute to 3 minutes, depending on the size. So mine here is about to take around 1 minute and some few seconds. So let's see after the music has been cut. Right now, we now have our audio here. So because we use the same audio on the previous track, you can see the cuts that DaVinci made are still the same. Yeah, and the entire music extended. And if your video was shorter than that, you would have done the same thing, but now incomprehensible. We can also do that. We can just drag our audio track here and select it, open live trim, and then this time around to make it a bit shorter. And just like that, you get another analyzing. And since you're making it a bit shorter, let's see how DaVinci does its magic. Since making the music a bit shorter takes more time than elongating it, but you're going to give it time and see how it does it. So apparently making the audio shorter takes more time. Making the audio a bit shorter takes more time than elongating it. And now, guys, that's how you use the AI music editor. That is how you use the AI music editor in DaVinci Resolve. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, and don't forget to activate the notification, so that you don't miss any videos when we upload.